Hi everyone, this is Vanya from Seven Sarah. Hi and welcome to today's video. And this is going to be a vlog. I'm actually attempting to use the disc I got from AliExpress. It's like 72. I keep forgetting what it has, but it has like 72 holes. Is that it? Well, I've shown it before, but this is my first time actually trying to use it. So I bought it because I wanted to expand the kind of bracelets I can make, which also means I'm expanding the tutorials I can make. But this disc is very big. It's like it's bigger than my palm, and it's thick. It's very stiff. It doesn't bend like the one I'm used to. But oh well. So you're going to see me in my journey to make this. The issue is I don't think I'm going to like it because of how big it is. It feels like it's more complicated than what I'm used to. So these are the colors I decided to pick because I want to make like a cupcake pattern. It's on the screen. So I decided to use these five colors. I don't think they match as much as I want to, but these are the colors I currently want to use for the cupcake because I want my cupcake to come out with these. So whether they match or not, we'll find out at the end of this vlog. This is like my second vlog. So watch me go. So now I'm just going to be cutting my strings. Again, it is not a tutorial, so you don't expect me to explain how I cut my strings. I'm just going to cut them and talk about something completely random. So while I'm here now, I want to just leave a little bit of why I've been away for a long time and then why I'm back now. I was away because one, I had exams, two, I had school, three, I was tired and I was trying to like get myself. And for some reason, I have tutorials. I've had like tutorials two or three. I've had two tutorials and one vlog that for some reason have refused to be uploaded to YouTube no matter how hard I try. I guess I realize now that it's because the resolution was too high, so it was taking quite a longer time than what I'm used to, and it really sucks because I have a Spider-Man tutorial from last year that I haven't posted and it's mid this year, and it was kind of sad about it, but I'm still going to try. Put something else. Uh, I've tried something else and that went. So I'm like, okay, that's on me. So that being said, you're going to see more videos from me. I might skip a week because I do not have enough data to post and I don't have not taking pictures and I left those bracelets in school. I'm currently at home during public holidays, so oh well, that's that. But so I'm just like hopefully I finish this and I'm able to post it. I just really do want to post it. And I don't know how this actually going to turn out because like I said, it's my first time using this disc and well and my color choices are kind of also. So I'm just hoping that everything turns out well because I am not someone that forces myself to finish a bracelet. If I do not like it, I can literally switch colors of the bracelet in the middle of the bracelet. Beginning, middle, I don't really care. I just switched. Like this tutorial, I was making like a Slavic chevron. And then I made the bracelet already. I was like, oh, I liked it. Let me make a tutorial for it. So I got strings of a different color. And I was like, I'll just use that one. And I started it and I was like, I didn't like this. I switched it. So the multicolor was not like the main string. And then I was like, okay, I like this. Then towards the end, I switched back because I didn't want people from the tutorial to be confused, but I was like fine with it. So it has like the first part different, the middle part completely different, and then the end is the same with the first part. I do not care. So here I am now. I'm still cutting string though, but I am 4 minutes in and I'm tired already. Not because of anything necessarily to do with this one, but it's because I'm trying to make a 32 string bracelet It is so big, like the the threads already look so much like they're going to scatter. I don't think I like that much. But it's what I signed up for. I mean, I bought it for a reason. So let's get started making the loop. So just a bit quick recap. I've cut all my strings, and those two strings that you see now are the strings that are like half strings, so like full length, so it's half. And I have my string for my loop that's currently going to be used for my loop, and I've already cut that out. So I'm just going to hold the middle, pinch it down, and actually start making the loop, which is made up of backward forward knots. Again, not a tutorial. I'm just going to show you what I'm doing, but it's not a tutorial. I'm very close to putting it in on the disc, and I'm kind of really excited. At the same time, I'm not, because it means like that's when the work actually starts. Because right now, I'm just like preparing for the disc. I haven't started using it yet. Mind you, I think I should have picked a pattern that was nice. I did not. Alright, I should start with like 24, 20. No, I went straight to 32. What was I thinking? I have no idea. I feel like there's going to be mathematics throughout. So now with the disc, pattern will be on the screen just for you to follow and reference. And for my sanity, wish me luck. So hello, this is editing me. Can't believe I said that. Anyway, this is the editing me, and I just want to say that this bracelet has shown me shaggy. It has shown me, I can't put it into words. As I'm talking to you, this is 2 weeks after, and I've not completed this, but okay. We keep going. I'm hoping for the best, but I honestly doubt it. Um Also wanted to say that I made a lot of mistakes while doing this. Like I said early on, I should have started with an easier pattern. I did not, because I liked this cupcake pattern and it is stressful. Doesn't help with the fact that I haven't made a bracelet this big and I haven't used this sticks before, so I'm not familiar with it at all. So I'm just explaining what I did basically. So I decided to first leave like three spaces in between each set. Each set, remember, Kumihimos are made in two, so each set. But then by the time I got halfway through it, I realized that that isn't going to work for this bracelet because little. Do you think all this string? I mean, it's 72, and I'm making a 32-inch bracelet. The maths is not adding up, so I had to like go all the way back and then do it to be like 3 2 3 2, like two spaces and three spaces and two. Like the mathematics in this thing, it's supposed to be a mindless thing. This thing is not mindless at all. This particular one is so stressful and so difficult. I this, like I said before, this is the, what's today's date again? Monday 17th of June, 3 a.m. Because I'm in Dayton, mind you. Um I decided to I decided to take a break from this. So if you see any video after me currently talking about how I'm tired, mistakes, that'll probably be around the 24th or 23rd, maybe depends on how I did this out. Yeah, that means I completed it, but I don't think I will. But wish me luck. And then I'm also at home again for another public holiday, Eid. So it sounds like Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday here. That's just they added Monday, Tuesday for us. So I'm like at home currently on a break, saying if I can like edit and like schedule the videos to go out on time so that I do not disappoint you guys. Bro, I don't think you guys might be seeing this blue disc in any tutorial. Oh, I also wanted to talk about like friendshipbases.net. I realize now that there are a lot more patterns than I used to, because I was always like very specific on what I wanted. Like I wanted marshmallows, fruit, strawberries, watermelon. My strategy were actually very, very limited. So now I've started to just like put 16 strings. Not only that, I put 16 strings, and then I put like maybe sorted by something different, and then I'm getting like very very different suggestions, and I'm actually liking it. I only wish that I could make patterns as quickly as I find them, because now I just have like a backup of Kumihimos. Mind you, I have a backup of normal bracelets already, so this is also something I don't want to happen. So you might be seeing more Kumihimo tutorials for me because they're easy, they're short, and well, I have a lot of them now, and I just want to like clear them off my, well, put them into my made patterns folder. So that's that. But you will be seeing regular tutorials for me because I'm already editing a lot of them. Well, just three. And I'm hoping to get them out two in June. Hopefully. I might have to like post twice a week like I used to do before. But like I said, I'm trying to figure it out. I don't want to say something and not do it. So whatever you see, you see. Hopefully after like a month, I'll be able to get myself back into the process of filming, editing, and actually posting them. Wish me luck. I honestly, honestly do need it. So at the end of the day, I decided that I would make it have two spaces and three spaces, then two spaces and three spaces in between each, because I couldn't get it and then I kept making mistakes. So that's currently where I'm at. I had to like take everything off the disk and then redo it again. But the good part about everything is this is a learning process for me, and honestly, I might do this again. I do not know though. But who knows? Who knows? I'm almost ready to start this. At the same time, I'm freaking out a little bit because I'm like, I like this, but I do not like the disc. It's stressing me out. Why am I counting two and counting three, like one, two, then going to the third one? Then I'll now take the next set and count one, two, three, four, and go into the fifth one. No, going to the fourth one, sorry. Like, it is stressing me out. It's actually really stressing me out. Because I keep forgetting which one I had the third, which one I had the fourth, so now I have to go back and count from like the last set. Not to self, not to future self. Do not do this again without being. Maybe we should start with something simple, but do not do this again. Good. Now, with that being said, I think this is. Oh, I'm finally put everything on my disc, and I'm just about to start the actual bracelet. But I'm doing like final checks to make sure that everything is actually in place. But as a Kumihimo, the worst thing that would actually happen to me that would make me really, really sad is if I start this Kumihimo, because I'm actually sort of excited, regardless of how I sound. I'm actually excited. I'm just drained. I start it, and then at the end of the day, I do not finish it because of either I keep making mistakes, I keep tangling my strings and stuff. Mind you, I have never had to cut a Kumihimo string because it was tangled. I always find a way. So I don't think that would be an issue. But then again, I haven't worked with 32 different strings before, so I don't know. But Shada, I think the most I've worked with was like 2024, and that was kind of hard because I was using like a 32 disc. I need to find out what it's called. Like I need to find out what it's called. I'm actually really ready to sort of just get right into it. It's called a 72 bits braiding play. Literally had to go and open up my AliExpress order so that I could get it out. So it's 32 bits. Ha! Finally. Feel happy that I know that now so I can like reference it all the time. Bruh. Hello again from Edison Me for the second time. Oh my god, this is a pain to edit. I'm still here. Like, it's 17 minutes in, and I'm still trying to arrange the strings on the disc. What's going on? I'm just going to like fast forward this part because I can't take it. I just can't. I'm tired, and I think it's gonna be a little boring at this point for you guys. So, sorry. But it's like a small update. This currently where I am. I already made like two mistakes. I was able to go back, like listen a few and get it. So I'm quite happy. But this disc is big, and this is what I'm currently doing. Can you see it? Nah, it's a little bit. It's like I can see the cupcakes in it, but not ready for it yet. It's big. It's big. This is me after making another horrible mistake. I realized that for some reason none of my strings are in the right position. I've mixed up most of the colors. I don't know how that happened. I think because I'm not used to making a bracelet with so many strings. This is currently where I am. I'm trying to like go back to the pattern, see where each of them need to be, and then start all over again. I'll get back to you after I do that, or if I can continue with the bracelets. So I was able to fix them, but now I have a very weird bump in like the middle of the bracelet currently where I'm currently at, and I don't like it. So, well, I'm just continue. So this is me like a month or two later. This is currently the 12th of July, and I'm done. Like I tried to make it. I did make it a little bit more. You can see it's a little longer than it was previously, but I'm tired of the bracelet. I don't like the disc, and I don't like the pattern. I feel like because I messed it up, I don't like it anymore. So I'm just going to stop here and take everything off the disc, see if I want to make it tie or not, or just leave it like this. Maybe I could use it as a keychain because it's not that long. I mean, it's like half the length of my normal bracelets, and it's I have to cut that string sticking out too, but it's like half the length of my normal bracelet, and I don't know. I don't really like it as much as I should. Perhaps because I wanted to make this cupcake pattern, but oh well. Thank you for watching and sticking with me throughout this vlog. I'm very sure it was boring because I didn't know what I was doing throughout. But thank you for watching. You can drop a comment if you have any other pattern you want me to make, and maybe subscribe if you really want to. But that's all. See you in the next video. Bye.